Are you someone looking for a career in the pharmaceutical industry? Welcome to the Nitte Pharma Innovation Centre, a flagship facility of NGSM Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, located exclusively on our Mangaluru campus. Step into a real manufacturing environment. Designed to strict GMP standards, our facility features specialized HVAC systems and epoxy-coated infrastructure to provide a true-to-life industrial experience. Master the process flow of modern medicine. Start with precision milling, move to high shear granulation in the RMG, and transition to efficient drying in our fluid bed dryer. Follow the journey through uniform blending in the Conta blender to the final stages of high-speed tablet compression and professional-grade coating. Our expertise extends to liquids and semi-solids, utilizing high-shear homogenizers and industrial induction sealing to ensure product integrity and shelf life. Excellence is built on compliance. Validate your work in our advanced QC labs and master the critical art of industry standards in our dedicated regulatory documentation rooms. At NGSM Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, we prepare you for every corner of the industry. Specialize in industrial pharmacy, pharmaceutics, quality assurance, or regulatory affairs. Don't just study the industry, live it. Apply for your MPharm at NGSM Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences today.